Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. My name is Ben and today we want to take a look at the Solana chart. We haven't done that for a few days or even weeks, and the price has definitely moved in very interesting ways. We're currently in a nice pullback, so we want to take a look at the chart to see, is this potentially an opportunity? Let's go. Okay, we are now on the Market Intel website, dailymarketupdate.com. You can find the link for this website in the description and you can register for free to get all of these Elliott-Wave updates for the different asset classes we cover completely for free. So bit of a no-brainer. Let's take a look at the Solana chart. First of all, we'll start with the long-term outlook. Just do a bit of a recap. Has anything changed? Has anything changed? Do we need to adjust our forecast? For now, the trend is clearly still up. And the forecast still shows for higher prices. You can see here that on the long-term chart, I mean, the trend is clearly up, but the chart also shows that we're probably close to completing a wave one to the upside, which means that would be the first wave of a larger degree 5-wave pattern. You see that on the long-term chart, we're tracking this chart as a 1-2 setup with a third wave rally to come next. But first of all, before this third wave is happening, we are probably going to see a wider wave 2 correction. I'd say probably, it's difficult to say with, make any comments about timing with precision because Elliott-Wave is a price-based system. We follow on levels, targets, support areas, and structure. We don't really focus on how long something takes. So please always ignore the timeline. But still, it still needs to have a certain proportion. So it's quite likely that at some point, maybe early 2025, we're going to see that correction. Maybe it might start end of Q1, maybe Q2, but we could see quite a substantial correction this year. But the rally is likely not finished yet. So we still see this rally as an unfolding wave one of a larger degree impulse. So let's take a look at the smaller time frame. This is now interesting because our primary scenario still allows for higher prices. As you can see, we are tracking this move up as a 1-2 setup, but that would be quite a bullish thesis based on this wave structure. It would indicate that, yes, we are in the last wave of this blue wave one, but this wave one consists obviously of 5 waves, right? And in the primary scenario, we are now in that 5th wave, but that's again a 5-wave move. So this is a 1-2. Third wave would be next. It could be quite aggressive, would take us to all-time highs and so on. Then we should get a consolidation in wave 4 and another move up in wave 5. And this would still take a few weeks, maybe even a few months, we'll see. But it's very, very important to keep this wave count alive. We want to see the market hold above $133. So the red line here, we need to see the price overall turn around to the upside. And there are, on the smaller time frame, we see there is a little bit of movement here. And, last week, the market started to move. I think this will be quite a decisive week, maybe even the next couple of days or so to see if this 1-2 setup actually holds, which would be a setup for higher prices. So the price could use, or the market could use that pullback now as a jump off point for a third wave rally. Still though, looking at the macro perspective, it would be in the late stages of a larger rally. So caution is advised, and I can tell you that any break below $133 would indicate that the entire rally here since August was just a high B wave, and we're likely coming down as per the orange scenario in an already unfolding wave 2. Not expected at this stage. It would be our alternative scenario, but it would be triggered below $133. And overall, we want to see the market turn to the upside and break above 264 to 267, 268. This is sort of the next breakout point area. On the larger time frame, it's certainly the all-time high here that needs to be broken. On the smaller time frame, here the previous swing high that formed recently. Definitely still looking at higher prices overall on the long-term chart. On the shorter time frame, this could be a very decisive week. It will be very interesting. Primary scenario still allows for higher prices. So we'll keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure that you register on the website. It's completely for free. You'll find the link in the description, and make sure that you leave a comment. Let us know which other cryptocurrencies you like us to cover in the next few videos, and activate the notification bell. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.